basically next is power in three phase, right? Remember we have studied the single phase power. P is the active power, Q is the reactive power, S is the apparent power. Active power formula in the single phase was I cos phi, right? Similarly, reactive power formula was Vi sin phi. Apparent power formula was Vi. And unit of active power is watt, that is represented by W. Unit of reactive power is VAR, that is by VAR only, volt ampere reactive, and its unit is V. But what about the three? The three phase, if I want to write down, power would be equal to root 3 VLIL cos phi. Okay, that would be in terms of line and root 3. Similarly, Q would be equal to root 3 VLIL sin phi, and apparent power would be 3 VLIL. This one is for the three phase. Now, if we want to convert it in terms of phase, then power would be 3 VPH IPH cos phi, again 3H IPH sin phi, again 3H IPH. Okay, so these are the power. And some of the student ask, ma'am, it's for star or delta? It's for both the same. Whether you can use it on star or delta, it's same. Got it?